Spring is here and life is about to get busy. This is our orchard. We haven't been keeping up with it. Pruning it's definitely been a few years. So these trees were here when we bought the house. There's some apple trees, pear trees, and a peach tree that we plan on replacing eventually because it's just not doing the best. So while doing this, we have no idea what we're doing when it comes to these fruit trees, but this is where we are in our journey and we are learning as we go. We did make sure not to cut more than half the tree off, and then I went through and thinned out the branches. Last year these produced a lot of apples and pears. So many of the branches were overloaded, which caused them to break. So we were just doing damage control this year, and hopefully we'll get some fruit on these trees, but if not, at least we know we're taking care of them. We don't have a fancy tractor, so this mower and trailer hauls everything, and I mean everything. It definitely takes a lot longer to get things done, but we're not ready to purchase a tractor yet, so we make do. We're bringing all of these limbs to our burn pile out back, and these are all limbs that I trimmed the day before without Joe's help, and Joe helped me today to get all the big stuff down that I couldn't do with my little clippers. Our next big project for the spring, does anyone have any guesses? We are getting chickens, our first animal on our farm. It's going to be baby chicks. So they are getting everything set up in our garage to have these little chicks in until they get big enough to go out to the barn. You can see in the corner we already have some chick food. We are going to be raising them with organic chick feed. We decided to do the Nature's Best organic chick feed and grower starter. They're 40-pound bags and we get them from TSC. A lot of our supplies for these chickens is used. We got it from family that's no longer raising chickens. So we'll get them all cleaned up and be able to use them for ours. Connor wanted to put chairs at the table next to the chickens so they could have meetings. I thought that was hilarious. We ordered them online from Ridgeway Hatcheries in LaRue, Ohio, and they were supposed to be delivered to us in about 2 weeks from the time we ordered them.
Alright, good news. I got a call from the post office. Chickens are ready. Bad news, it's a post office 2 hours from my house instead of 10 minutes. So I drove down and got them, and I got to listen to peeping for 2 hours on my drive home. But they all made it safe, and we're about to dump them out into their pens right now. They're cuties.
And this time we got 100 broiler chickens and 25 egg layers. Is this thing on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Those are all good.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sitting on one. Come on. There you go. Oh my god. Oh, you might want to put it in there. Holy I can't. Oh my god. They're so fun. Maybe I put the water in. I hope I put enough marbles in.
Everybody out.
Put some water. That's it.
What?
They're climbing up. Just pick them up and put them down. No one drowned.
Tara, what I can find.
Our broiler chickens are the Cornish Cross, and our egg layers are the Rhode Island Reds.
You're picking up one? Yeah, you can pick up one, but you can't touch your face when you touch them.
Isn't it gonna peck you?
No. I want to put my finger.
Can you pick up the corner ones?
You can pick up anything you want. Put your book bag up the steps and
Camille, I'm going to get you. Try to pick up one. Just don't squeeze them.
What kind? Oh, Connor, you want to pick up one?
no. The keys. Oh, hang on, it wasn't looking at me.
Are they like coming to me?
Oh, okay.
I think you want to squirm.
They don't squirm.
Look it. Yeah. Look it.
Yeah, oh yeah, just don't scoot too tight. One hand in it.
I'll call that one Paco.
Nice.
That's what I was thinking. You do it first.
Pick one up.
Yeah.
Yeah. That one we never
That one
tried.
doesn't care.
Oh my god, that one can fly.
They all
We converted our shed into a chicken coop. On the right side is going to be our egg layers because it's smaller and we only have 25 of them. And on the left side is for our broiler chickens. We chose to do laminate flooring, that way it's easy to clean up after them.
I also put poultry netting on the ceiling to keep the birds separate in case they climb up and try and fly over, and for predator proofing also. Right about our head level on the outsides, there's also these vents. And I put more, I guess, poultry netting on the outside and made sure it was secure so they couldn't crawl up into the eaves and come in and eat our chickens also.
After about 2 weeks of having the chicks in the tubs in the garage, they were quickly growing, so we knew we had to move them to the shed. So we enlisted in some help, and we were just getting this ready before they arrived to help us move the chicks from the garage to the shed.
Alright.
This looks official.
That's where the birds are gonna go?
That side's meat chickens, and then this side's hens that lay eggs. There's only a few hens.
James, we found your new place.
Smaller. James, you want to rent? You want to rent here?
I would not want to.
Put me in the mood to slaughter some chickens.
What are you?
4 more weeks.
Yeah.
Won't be long.
Let's snap some necks.
Let me teach you my way.
You don't know anyways.
We will be adding nest boxes on the egg layer side, but for right now, I'm so happy with how it turned out.
With a little spot to grab.
Then how will we hold them?
What the? We're walking through here.
How will we hold them?
Jared's gonna get his shoes wet.
Oh, yeah. Doing what? That's a mud spot unless you're gonna walk on the plank.
How will we hold them? Megan, there's not marbles in there anymore.
Nope, that means they're not going to drown.
And how are we going to see them?
They're gonna put them in their spot.
We're just moving them to the barn that we were just in. Here, stay, follow Mom. Step on the fluffy spots. Okay, let's go this way. They went the muddy way. Be careful coming through here, it's wet. Okay.
Chip, 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 blah, blah, blah.
I should be in there, yeah.
You might have to step in the pen or step on the perimeter.
You want me in this one?
Yeah, let's see what happens when he does them out here.
Okay.
Go that side, Jimmy. Kick your legs up. Kick your legs up. You want over? Kick your legs up.
Are they coming in me or in with me or in with them? Okay.
Okay. Sorry, Matt. It's on me. Ooh, there we go. The fun slide.
It's like a fun slide. Can I try?
Oh my gosh. Maybe.
One's they're tiny.
Oh.
Maddie, get at Dad's feet and block that corner. Block that corner with your foot, Jared. Or Maddie. More. Pressure.
13, 15. 17, 19, yeah. 21.
I'm already doing
25.
My armpits weren't ready for this kind of exposure.
28, 30.
Oh my God! Good, that was
Oh no.
So you can just stand right here.
49, 50, 51, 51.
Alright, Jared, grab the other side of this box. So they don't fall out the bottom. I know, but they could fall out the bottom. Come on, Jay. Yeah. Leave the door. Hang on. Stop. Let James come in. Hurry.
There you go. Look at birdie. That one's having another done.
Move.
Look at that squeeze.
They'll be fine. Just tell them you're in here.
Yeah. 18. 33. 33? 35. 37. 39. 40, 41, 42, 43, 45.
Joe's getting bouquets of them.
Come on. 26, 27. 48, 49. Oh, I got extras. Yeah, I got extras. Yeah. I got away. 50, 1, 2. 2 extra birds.
Alright, open the door. That one. That door. Here.
little bigger. But, maybe I should put those adjusting things on there. I have a bunch of them. It's gonna take me out some work, so.